is a nice sturdy construction.
All right, let's try to install a TV. Let me show you how it clips on here. There's little hooks, and then we secure it down here. Clips on like that. That little widget, put it in there. So now this doesn't have to go tight, this is just pinning it in so it can't lift up. So everything seems like it's nice sturdy construction. The one thing I will say is the wheels don't roll, they're not very free rolling, but I guess you really don't want your TV free rolling anyway. I guess it's probably a decent balance. Yeah. And it can be turned like 2 angles, right? And you can adjust the height as well. So I was saying, this thing's super cool. It's worked out really nicely. If you want to get one of these, there's a link right here on the screen or down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help out the channel a little bit so we can get more cool things to make videos for you. Seeing as you're still here, you're obviously getting some value, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about this, feel free to put it in the comments. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.